Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chili hot dog tater tot casserole. Alright, I'm starting out here in a bowl and I'm going to add in two 15-ounce cans of chili. This is without beans, but you could also use with beans if you like. I'm going to get them right down in there. It's going to be a really quick throw together meal for a weeknight when you worked all day. Get my second one in there. Dexter's quiet at the moment. He's in there taking a nap. I expect when supper time rolls around here when we're eating, they'll be squawking and carrying on. Now to that I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of ketchup, and I'm just going to eyeball this. Looks good about there. And I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And if I went over here, that's fine. I'm going to give that a quick stir to mix everything together. Now I'm going to add in some shredded sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to add in about a cup, because we're going to add more on top. That way there we get this casserole cheesy from all directions. Alright, now I have 8 hot dogs I cut up and a small onion I sliced up fine, or diced up fine. Get that down in. I don't want to spill my onion all over the stove, so I'll do it from this side. And you want to make sure you dice your onion up fine, that way there it's cooked through when your casserole is done, because if you cut it too big it's not going to be cooked through. And I'm just going to stir this, mix everything together. The same thing goes for the hot dog. You don't want your pieces too big because you want them cooked through in the time it takes the casserole to cook through. Okay, now in a 9x13 baking pan I sprayed with some vegetable spray. I have a 30 or 32 ounce pack of tater tots that I pre-cooked in the oven. I'm going to get my hot dog mixture and chili mixture down over top of the tater tots. And I pre-cooked the tater tots, that way there they maintain some of their crunch. They don't get all soggy from the chili hot dog mixture being on them. And I'm just going to mix this around on top of our hot dogs. Now I'm going to take some more cheese and I'm going to put a generous layer of cheese on top of our casserole. You just want to hit the whole thing, make sure you get every part, that way there it's all nice and cheesy, evenly cheesed. And this is probably about 1.5 cups of cheese I'm putting on here. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven on covered for a half hour. After the half hour is up, this will be done and we'll be taking it out. Alright, this just came out of the oven. Look at how nice and cheesy and delicious it looks. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and garnished this with a little bit of chives to give it a little extra flavor and color. Let me get in here and try this, guys. Get a piece of that chili meat and a hot dog. It's really good. Right off the bat you get the chili. And excuse me, when that mixes with the hot dog, it's like having a chili hot dog at the fair. I'll get some of this tater tot and some of that cheese. Piece of chili meat off of there. Well, that one's come along, guys. Looks like it's going to join us. It's really good. The cheese and the chili mixing with those tater tots, the creaminess of the tater tot. That was really easy and it was really delicious, guys. Right there you have it. Chili hot dog tater tot casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.